Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with AutoZone, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with AutoZone, visit their official website or open the AutoZone app. Create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account to access your dashboard. Click on the specials or deals section to find current promotions. Take note of discounts on auto parts and services. Determine your monthly budget for auto maintenance and repairs. List out necessary items you plan to purchase. Research prices for each item on the AutoZone website. Add the items to your cart while checking for applicable discounts. Use the buy online, pick up and store option if available to save on shipping. Review your cart to ensure all items fit within your budget. Consider using AutoZone's credit options if you have larger purchases. Keep track of your spending by updating your budget sheet as you make purchases. Set reminders for upcoming maintenance to manage future expenses. Evaluate your monthly expenses to adjust your budget as needed. Revisit the specials section regularly to take advantage of new deals. By following these steps, you can effectively budget your auto expenses with AutoZone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.